Hi, so this question is image smoother. So basically you're given a metric and then you want to get an average by your surrounding neighbors. So let's look at this. So if you are right here, you want to get all of your neighbor including yourself and get the average value. And if you are right here, so if you are right here, you want to get all of neighbor from your current spot, but this will be out of bound, right? So we don't calculate that and we discard it, but we still have to calculate the average. So this is actually pretty straightforward, and then we just need to run the value down. So what I'm going to do is I traverse every single cell, and every single cell I'm going to get a neighbor and then get average. And it should be straightforward. The question is a little bit ambiguous, but whatever, man. Alright, so I need to return a metric. Sorry, return a new metric, and then the length, and then width and length should be what? Sorry, should be this. Should be that. Return result, right? For in, so traversing every single one. For in j equal to 0, j less than image little length, and then plus plus. Alright, so basically I'm going to assign my I and j to what? To probably just get smoother. And then what I need to pass in is image and I and j. So I'm going to traverse a neighbor based on this function. Right, but I need to initialize. Alright, so one thing is I need to get what are the current sums, right? How many elements, and say counts. So what I need to do is what? Sum divided by counts. And how do I traverse a neighbor? I'm going to starting from -1. Actually using the x should be better. -1 and the x less than equal to 1 and the x plus plus. So I was like going, the horizontally backward and forward, right? But also the vertically upward and downward, right? Alright, so what I need to do is actually just get a constraint. So if x plus I is less than 0, or x plus I is equal to image.length, or x y plus I y plus j, sorry, y plus j less than 0, or y plus j equal image.length. So these are considered out of bound, right? I ignore, else I'm going to add the current value, right? And also increment the count. So I will definitely know how many elements for this current cell, right? Some x, so it's out of bound in this case because I forgot to say x plus I, y plus j. Okay, this is a mistake. Alright, so in this solution, it's pretty straightforward. Space is this, n times m, and time, all of n times n, but each one you have an iteration for, the neighbor. So I would say this is constant, this is also a constant. So the worst case won't be this. Time and space are the same, n times m. So if you have a question, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.